Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows is my personal experience using the Truist platform. Truist Financial Corporation, accessible online at https://www.truist.com, represents a major player in the financial services landscape. This institution offers a wide array of banking products and services, catering to both individual consumers and businesses. From everyday checking and savings accounts to more complex financial instruments like loans and investment options, Truist aims to provide a comprehensive suite of financial tools. Navigating their website, you'll discover a wealth of information detailing their various offerings. They emphasize digital banking solutions, providing convenient access to account management, bill pay, and other essential financial tasks through their online platform and mobile app. Additionally, Truist highlights its commitment to security, outlining measures taken to protect customer data and financial assets. For individuals exploring personal banking options, Truist offers a range of checking and savings accounts tailored to different needs and financial goals. They also provide resources for credit management, mortgages, and other personal finance topics. Businesses can find information on specialized accounts, lending solutions, and merchant services designed to support their growth and operational needs. Truist's online presence extends beyond core banking services, featuring insights and educational materials related to financial planning and wealth management. This demonstrates their commitment to empowering customers with the knowledge and tools they need to make informed financial decisions. While their website serves as a central hub for information, Truist also maintains a physical branch network providing in-person support and services for those who prefer traditional banking interactions. As a large financial institution, Truist plays a significant role in the financial ecosystem, serving a diverse clientele with a broad spectrum of financial products and services. Whether you're an individual seeking a new checking account or a business in need of sophisticated financial solutions, exploring Truist's website can offer valuable insight into the resources they provide.